How to add an Excel file to Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an Excel file to Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is a website building and hosting platform that enables individuals, entrepreneurs, and business to create professional websites without requiring advanced coding skills. And Squarespace also provides an all-in-one solution that includes a customizable templates and many more. And by clicking the Get Started button and start signing in, the next thing that you need to do is simply create your own site in here and choose what you want to do with your site. So from here, let's say I'm just going to simply check some of this and choose the template to proceed. And for the template, all we need to do is simply select here the right template that we prefer. And after that, you can even choose your own color palette. Then you will be directed in this website, and to start editing this website to add the Excel file, all we need to do is simply click the edit button on the top left corner so you can see the button. But before that, in adding an Excel file, we're going to use this platform called Helpsite, in which it is a web-based service that provides a customizable website widgets designed to enhance functionality, engagement, and user experience without requiring advanced coding skills. So under widget, you could also start looking for the embed file, or alternatively, if you don't find it, you can simply click See All Widget button, and we can start using the search bar by simply entering here or searching embed file, or the embed only, file embed. So kindly click this one, and in here, it will show you that you can create widget for free. So kindly click this button below. Upon clicking on it, from here, the next thing that we need to do is simply choose which kind of file we want to upload. And since we're trying to upload here an Excel file, all we need to do is simply select here the Excel file option or the template, which is this one. It will show us in here the sample Excel tables that is available as a template. But you could also upload your own Excel file in here. All you need to do is simply start deleting the existing widget or this Excel file. But basically, this is what it looks like upon integrating or simply embedding the file on the Excel. To start uploading, all we need to do is simply click Upload Files and choose or browse from our computer files. Upon selecting the right Excel file in here, all we need to do is wait for it to load, since it will automatically being uploaded in here. Now after that, the next thing that we need to do is to simply customize or choose the right layout, the design, the color palette, background, and many more. So all we need to do after this is to simply enter the file name or the name of it and choose the Done button to proceed to start customizing the other details or elements. By clicking Done on the left side panel of it, just choose here the right layout for you. We have here grid and also the list, but I'm going to choose the file viewer. You could also navigate the file icon, preview image, while under appearances, from here you can change the color, the name, the icon, the download link, and any other background. Once done, all we need to do, if you're now done customizing everything on your own preferences, just click the button below that says Add to Website for Free button, since it is basically the way on how we can start publishing it directly after successfully uploading the Excel file in here. And then the next thing that we need to do is simply sign in our website account. You can use our Google, Facebook, or email address to do so. And after that, you can proceed by clicking the Publish button on the top right corner to simply publish this embed of Helpsite with the Excel on it in order for us to get the code. By clicking the Publish button, the next thing that we need to do is simply choose the right plan for us. And I'm going to choose the free plan. Once done, on this pop-up window, just simply click the Copy Code button in here. Then go back to our Squarespace website and simply add here a block, or if you want to add a section, you can do so also. But in here, in this part, I'm just going to simply add a block. And after clicking on it, below it will show you some of the blocks that you can add, and just choose here this code right here. Then on this pop-up window, just choose this pencil icon to edit it, and upload directly the code or simply paste it in here. So basically from here just simply double tap it and simply click this one and paste it directly. Now after successfully pasting it, you can also start resizing the size of the widget right here and even change the location if you want to. And now after successfully uploading the Excel file or the embed file in here, it will show us in here the preview of our Excel, which is this to-do list. So now as you can see, we have now successfully add the file of Excel to Squarespace. That is just how you can start adding an Excel file to Squarespace. Thank you.